Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest gear for your active lifestyle. Today, we're diving into a shoe that promises to blend performance and comfort, the Mizuno Neo Vista. I've put this shoe through its paces across various types of runs, so let's break down whether it lives up to the hype. Let's start with the design and fit of the Mizuno Neo Vista. Available in a couple of colorways, it features a booty-style knitted upper with an integrated tongue. This construction provides a snug and secure fit, which I found great for maintaining stability, especially during faster runs. The upper, while breathable, can feel a bit warm on hotter days, something to keep in mind if you run in warmer climates. Moving on to the midsole, Mizuno uses their Energy NXT foam combined with a nylon plate. This setup offers a unique blend of cushioning and responsiveness. The foam is plush and soft, yet it rebounds quickly, making it suitable for both easy long runs and faster-paced workouts. The shoe also features Mizuno's Smooth Speed Assist rocker profile, which helps in smooth transitions from heel to toe. The outsole has a significant cutout design that reduces weight and aids in stability by centering your foot. However, I did notice that it can pick up small rocks if you take it off-road. For the most part, it grips well on gravel and wet surfaces, though it's primarily designed for road running. In terms of performance, the Mizuno Neo Vista shines across different types of runs. Whether it's a track session, a long run, or a tempo run, this shoe delivers. The cushioning is forgiving yet responsive, which is ideal for maintaining energy over longer distances. It's not the lightest shoe out there, but it manages to feel agile and efficient, even with its substantial stack height. I particularly enjoyed its performance during marathon training, where its rocker profile helped in maintaining a steady cadence and propelling me forward during those longer miles. However, if you're someone who needs stability features due to overpronation, this might not be the best choice for you. So, should you invest in the Mizuno Neo Vista? If you're looking for a versatile running shoe that can handle both training runs and occasional speed workouts, absolutely. It's a solid performer with a comfortable yet responsive ride that many runners will appreciate. However, keep in mind the price point and consider alternatives if you need more stability or prefer a firmer feel. Overall, it's one of my top picks for 2024, especially if you're building a running shoe rotation that covers all your training needs. That wraps up our review of the Mizuno Neo Vista. If you've tried these shoes, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep moving forward.